Hi everyone, this is KJ Vlogs, a Filipino actor based here in Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we will gonna do another reaction video again from the Gary V concert together with SB19, which is the title of the song is Lead Me Lord. So basically, this is the first time that I'll be hearing SB19 to sing a worship song, should I say? Yeah, this is the first time na maririnig ko sila. Actually, isa din sa mga magagandang kantahin sana ng mga what you call this, ng sa The Voice, yung mga ganito, sa The Voice Kids, pero masyado ata itong mataas para sa bata. Pero kaya nila yan. Nakaya nga nila yung may bukas pa, right? So, without further ado, let's start this reaction video, which is Gary V and SB19, Lead Me Lord. Sana hindi tayo maging emotional for today's video.
The sight, every time I lead a prayer and I see all heads bowed down, it makes me realize
This is their parang doxology. Tama ba?
around me. You know, today, like what I faced, there are wars and rumors of wars, and I know for a fact that there are many going through personal wars inside of yourselves.
Exactly.
You'll never know about, no one will ever see, and many may never even care about.
It's,
And there are hearts that may be lost, anxious, hurting, or in need of healing. I was led to do this song tonight. The first time we run this show, I said I wanted to invite friends from the industry. Well, I have new friends here tonight. No, not all of them will sing the song, but because they believe in the song and what it stands for, they've decided to stand up here with me.
Sino mga friends?
And if you know the song, don't just sing it, but sing it from the heart. You can't imagine the connection you can make with the all-powerful God when He sees your heart and you allow Him to see it. So, be blessed, my friends.
Okay. Let's do this. So, pakanta din yung SB19. We got excited. Wow! Kinakausap sila. Kakanta ba ng SB19 dito?
Lead me, Lord. Lead me by the hand and help me face the rising sun. Comfort me through all the pain that life may bring. There's no other hope that I can lean upon. Lead me, Lord. Lead me all my life. Walk by me.
Wow!
Walk by me across the lonely roads that I may face. Take my arms and let your hand show me the way. Show the way to live inside your
May microphone si... May microphone si Justin, so baka kakanta talaga sila.
cause you are
Wow!
on my feet all the time. I keep you
Nakikita mo si Stel, nakasmile siya. Parang the way Stel smiled there, parang na-feel ni Stel yung presence ng Holy Spirit. Yung eventually, he just smiled. Tapos, sa line na kinakanta ni Gary V, parang nakikita kong na-feel niya. Paolo is singing out, oh. Ayan, oh, nag-smile si... Yes! Yung reaction ni Stel while kumakanta si Sir Gary V, hindi po, he agreed. He definitely agreed on that part. Parang na-feel niya talaga yung presence. I really don't know, but that is the interpretation. Kasi usually pag gumagawa ako ng reaction video and nakakaramdam din ako ng ang galing niya, gumagano na lang ako. So parang basically Stel, na ano niya dun na feel niya. Need you there. Tsaka si Pablo. Si Pablo kasi ano talaga siya, no? Si Pablo parang, if I'm not mistaken, parang ministry. Something like, very religious. Look at Stel and Pablo. Pablo talaga is singing all with his heart talaga. Look at that. Nag-worship talaga si Pablo. Nag-worship talaga si Pablo. Also, Stel. Look at that. Nakikita ko talaga na malakas yung boses nila habang kumakanta. Yung sinusurrender nila. There you go. Si Pablo talaga. Very. Talaga si Pablo. Si Paul Disnaga. Thanks. Ganda. Hindi pala sila kumanta dito. Akala ko naman kumanta talaga sila dito. But then again, nakita din natin yung reaction nila, di ba? Yung parang nag-worship talaga sila. While Mr. Gary Valenciano singing this song, Lead Me Lord. Ang ganda ng kantang to. Alam mo, napapaisip ako while watching the said video na kailangan ko talaga siyang i-download sa Spotify ko. 'Di ba? Nakaka-uplift lang. So yeah, that is all for today's video. This is Keisha Vlogs. See you on my next vlog. Bye!